Oh, that's my favorite. So prepare Kadun Manok. Cut that. And I'm Trisha, and we are two Chamoru sisters that enjoy cooking together. We were both born in Guam, and we now live in Denver, Colorado. And the way that we stay close to our roots is by learning Chamoru recipes and sharing them. Today we are going to prepare Kadun Manok, or Chicken Kadu for y'all. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we're gonna put our heat to 7 on our stove. That's in between medium and high. Cool. And then we are going to spray the pot with some of this cooking oil. And then just use real oil. Oh, y'all can use real oil if you really want it oily, but we're trying to lose some weight and keep it down. So we're going to add the onions real quick. Geese it a little bit. Throw some salt in there, you know, you want some flavor, and then some pepper, and then give that a little time to sort of brown, maybe like a minute. Alright, we're also going to add in the onion, the garlic, so that they can both brown at the same time. And then if you notice that your pan is getting a little hot, you can add some more of the spray so that everything doesn't burn. Cool. Okay, so now if you notice that your garlic and your onion is both turning brown, it's a good time to throw in your chicken. This time we're using chicken breast because, you know, just like using the spray, we also trying to like cut down on the calories here. Chicken breast is really good if you're not trying to use really fattening meat. So we're just going to stir it up a little bit here and then come back to it in another 5 minutes. I'm actually going to turn down our heat to about a medium. So around a 5 if you only have numbers on your stove. And yeah, we'll be right back. So as soon as your chicken starts to brown, you're going to want to add water. We recommend about 3/4 away of when you fill the pot. And you can also use chicken broth if you like it, then go ahead. I'll go ahead and add that last cup in there. And then we're gonna also add our potato, so I don't make a big old mess. I'm gonna drop them in nice and soft. And spread it out, you know. It don't gotta be picky. Okay. And we in this family really like onions, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more of that. All of that. I told you we really like onion. Alright, and then we're also gonna add in 2 cans of corn. So, oh, and big pork, we don't drain it. More juice the better. Cool. Alright, and you're also gonna add in 2 cans of stewed tomato. And again, try not to make a mess. There we go. And at this point, we also recommend adding a little bit more salt and a little more black pepper. So I'm gonna go do that right now.
Oh yeah, and you're also going to want to turn up the heat to about medium high there. On our stove it's 7, so go ahead and do that.
Hey, Trisha, how come you wanted to make Kadu?
Because it's cold.
Yeah, it's snowing in April. How depressing.
Man, Colorado.
Hey, did you miss me? I know you missed me. Then me. Okay, so part of our Kadu making includes long rice. So as everybody knows who lives in the States, you can't just go down to Payless or, you know, Cautioless. You have to go to the Asian store. So we went to the Asian store. We got some of this. We're going to soak it in water. That's what my mama does. If y'all want to know why, you can ask her. I think from my understanding, it helps make the noodles softer. And so we're just going to place the long rice here in the water, just like that, like so. And yeah, we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes.
And while you're waiting for your food to boil, you want to wash your dishes so you don't get spanked tonight.
Or any night. We noticed the flavor was a little lacking with the regular salt, so we're just gonna go ahead and add what we know, that's the soy sauce, and it works, so do that.
Hey y'all, I'm back. It's been a minute, been a long minute. I'm hungry, you hungry. So we're gonna get into this, okay? It's been about 20 minutes as a check-in point. I'm gonna go ahead and check the potatoes now to see how well they're cooking. And it's popping a little bit up in there, so I'm gonna lower this, you know. This is nice, I wanna keep it that way. So I'm gonna open it up for her. Set down the cup. And we're just gonna take a fork. I'll also take this little thing. And I'm gonna pierce it. And it went true. And that's a good sign. That's a good sign. It means that everything's cooking up really well. So at this point, I'm also gonna add in our rice noodle. And I just use my hand because, you know, I don't care. I'm hungry, I told y'all. So we add in all the noodle. And go ahead and stir it up a little bit, just a little bit. And we're just gonna wait a few more minutes and then we'll add in the celery. And we'll be good to go. We're gonna eat. We're gonna eat, okay? You're getting there.
Hit the beat now.